girls, it's snowing! Whoop, Jasmine, watch where you're going, dog. Hey, stinkers, do you like the snow? Greta, what do you think? Jasmine? 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 Greta? Do you like the snow too? Greta doesn't care. She'll get dirty and wet, filthy. I think she prefers it actually. Jasmine's usually the loud one when it comes to wrestling. But Greta's the loud one all the other times. With the snow! Cool. All colors. My head's getting wet. Oh, there she goes. Jasmine's gonna be right on top of this. Watch this. She's gonna do it. There we go. Alright, watch where you're going, dogs. Jasmine, Greta. Hey, girls. Hey, pretty girls. Alright, I think that's enough.